In this video tutorial, we will learn how to compile and run first Java program using command prompt. Java Development Kit is the software that is needed to run Java program. Java Development Kit is popularly known as JDK, which you can download from oracle.com website. To compile Java program, use javac followed by your source program name. To run your Java program, write Java followed by your class name. Now this javac and Java, these both are available under your JDK installation folder under bin directory. Let's compile and run first Java program using command prompt. This is my Windows command prompt. I have created one Java demo folder under D drive, and into this folder I have already created hello.java file, hello.java source program file, just to save our time. Let's see the content of this file. This is the basic code of our first Java program. This is our class name hello.java, and this is the main function inside which we write our key logic related to our program. Make sure your class name and file name are same. So this is hello class and the file name is hello.java. All Java programs are saved with .java file name extension. This system.out.println function will print this string on output screen. So this function is very similar to printf function of C programming. Now let us compile this program first, and then we will run using this command prompt. So to compile this program, we have to write javac command. So this is Java compiler. Followed by this, we will write a source program name, which is hello.java. If syntax is okay, then a class file will be generated into the same folder. So just to see that class file, this is the class file. Hello.class file is generated when we compile this hello.java program. Now let's run this code using Java. So Java followed by hello, which is a class name, and depending on the logic returned into this program, we will get our output on our screen. So this is how you can run your Java program using Java command, and to compile your code, use javac.